Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a sheet on Google Sheets. So in case you're working in your Google Sheets document, guys, and especially if you want to share it with others, but there is a particular sheet that you don't want them to access, you can easily lock that sheet. So this is an entire workbook here, and there are three sheets here, right? And I'm going to take, for example, a travel planner one to lock this one. How would I lock it? Is I just need to go ahead and right click here on the bottom where you have the sheet name and you will have protect sheet. So you can click on that. And here you can give it a description. So I'm going to say for me. This, for example, I want to write for me, right? Does that mean that it's going to be locked to only me? Here you have the option to do for a particular range, but we're not focusing on the range right now. We're focusing on the entire sheet. Now from here, just go ahead and click on set permission. Once you click on the set permission, you can choose if you want to show a warning message when they're trying to enter some kind of a value within a specific range, or you want to restrict who can edit this range. So this is how you can choose how you can do it. So I'm going to leave it to restrict who can edit this range, right? So then you want to choose only for you, or you can copy the permissions from another range, or you can set a custom one. So if you click on custom, you can choose the person here. You can go ahead and you can enter other email addresses or names here and so forth of who you want the author to be. So you can add these different things here and then basically click on done. Once you go ahead and click on done and click on save, you'll realize immediately that the sheet is no locked. So in case you have this document share with someone and they see this, once they click on it, it will be locked for them and they will not be able to access it unless you grant them access to it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.